With the collapse of health systems and overstretched doctors' waiting lists and overflowing hospital systems in many parts of the world, massive cost blowouts of many state and national health budgets, it's a radical overhaul of the health and medical industries. With people working in these systems, there'll be a renewed focus on allopathic-based health approach to self-healing, which will lead the way to more natural and holistic as a primary source of self-healing over the next decade. There will be many spontaneous recoveries and breakthroughs of people